All right, Modern Mountain Man here, real quick unboxing initial review of the Feyachi RDS 22. It's a red dot sight. I had a representative from Feyachi reach out to me to see whether I would review this. They've been reaching out to me and a few of my other YouTube friends on reviewing some of their products. And when they initially reached out to me, I told them I would review this particular sight under one condition. I was allowed to abuse it. And so we're gonna unbox it, we'll talk about abuse, and we'll take it from here. So, let's get this out of here first. So Feyachi, once again, you can buy a lot of their gear on Amazon. Yeah, it's a Chinese company, I believe, but optics and various other shooting accessories. This one here came with the red dot and the riser. So you got a little instruction manual-ish type thing here. We'll look at that later maybe. Got a little microfiber. Got a spare battery, that's nice. Got a star wrench as well as an Allen wrench. That's good, very nice of them. Got a little lens cap cover. I need to get that out right now. Then this little baggie right here. Got a riser, so got a little pick rail type thing going on this riser here. So excited about that piece right there. You know, pieces like this, even if I end up abusing this and this is no good, this will still be good. So I will certainly repurpose it, but I have high hopes. We'll see. And let's get this guy out. This particular piece right here looks exactly like its Bushnell counterpart. You know, I don't know. I could make my guesses about whether it is exactly like it, just has a different name. I'm not confident to say that yes or no, but so we've got right here 10 different levels of red dot on it. So you can see a little bit of dot there. It's to my eye, it didn't really look like what I see there on the display screen. Is this a super crisp dot? No. Is it something that I would put on a gun that I didn't need a super crisp dot for? Yeah, maybe. This is something that, you know, I would definitely have a lot of fun with. I'll fiddle with it some more to see whether I'm doing something wrong, but I'm pretty sure the dot is supposed to be crisp all by itself. I don't know how to describe this to explain what this dot looks like to me, to my eye, but it looks like a group of dots next to each other, like a, you know, little pile of dots. But it's red dot, you know. Other features you got here, you got these little caps you can turn off here, and once again, like the Bushnell, it's got the little screwdriver bit head that you can put in here, and yeah, adjust the clicks there. So we'll hook that up and see if it's on or not. So the initial impression there, you got to thread it just right to get it on, but it's on now, no problem. I can't say for sure, but this looks an awful lot like the Bushnell TRS 25. You know, the big exception I can see is the difference in this little turret cap here. But yeah, so I'm going to play with this, have a lot of fun with it. I'm going to abuse it. After I saw Resist the Tyranny's video of it, how much he abused it, I was like, you know what, if he can do that, I got to step up my game and abuse it even more. So first stop, this is going on the Beowulf. So that has definitely obliterated a scope or two in its day. So what else, guys, what do you think I should do with this? I've got one idea of, you know, putting it in the freezer, a few other little things, but what do you think? Well, how should I test this to see how it holds up? I think I may throw it on the 22 for a little bit just to see how this would do with accuracy. Once again, with the the fuzziness of this dot. I think that would be one of my main applications for it. I wouldn't do any kind of real precision work with a dot this fuzzy. But what do you guys think? Let me know. Drop comments below, ideas, abuse. If you want to see a guy really beat this one up, go watch Resist the Tyranny's video. But yeah, let me know. Drop some ideas below. What do you think I should do with this? All right, God bless you. Go take your mountain.